finding inspiration. Where can we find inspiration? How to find inspiration? How to use inspiration? If these ideas pop in your head right now and you're lost, this video will help you a lot. In this video, I'm gonna tell you 2 ways that you can start using every time you get lost in doing creative work. 2 ways that will help you get more creative, like refresh your creative mind. So without further ado, let's roll the intro and get this thing started. So yeah, okay, let's jump right in. So the first website that I'm gonna show you, it's called Words, AWWW Words, and this is a really cool one where you can find inspiration if you are like in the web design industry. Let's say that you are going for a more like simple or a minimalist website, so you can maybe click on this one, and you have like the golden source, design, usability. They have like ratings on different like designs. You can also go into like dive right into the website, the actual website, or you can stay here on this platform on Words and see some screenshots of the actual work, and you can find like maybe inspiration. Maybe you like doing like websites with only text and a few images, like a minimalist website, simple and clean and easy to use and to understand website, like this one, which is like really awesome. And let's see this one, let's watch this website. This design is like a clean design, hamburger manual right here, the menu, the logo, the landing page, some photos, like this is a GIF, really nice, that's showing the whole idea, like the transition and the animation on the website. It's like really cool. So yeah, this is Words. The next one that I use is Behance. As I'm a graphic designer, I like to see what other people have been working, and I go on Behance, and then maybe you go to like discover, and then or like search creative fields, and then go to graphic design, and maybe you should put a location like a region, or that's like not necessarily. Here you can put on the filters most appreciated, most viewed, most discussed. Let's see most appreciated in graphic design works. Let's see this by Tim Arnold. So yeah, let's say that I have to design a logo and I'm stuck with ideas. I don't have any ideas. I've like created some sketches, maybe wrote some things about the whole brand, the whole image, basically the information that the client gave me when we first met. Yeah, now I'm going to like go on Behance and watch for some inspiration for some logos that other people have done. Like this one is really cool, and maybe you can find some inspiration in seeing of this. Maybe you have like an idea, but do not copy this whole thing, do not rip off others' work, because it's not cool. The next one and the final one is Bestfolios. This is like a multi website where you can find from portfolios to resume to case studies, books, articles, and talent list. But most of the time when I'm here, I'm looking at portfolios, resumes, and or case studies, sometimes at books. So yeah, let's go and hit portfolio, and then we have like all portfolios, and or we can filter to watch UX design portfolio, graphic design, motion design, or yeah, let's go to graphic design. So you can see how many people have been watching this. Maybe, yeah, let's see the first one. What's this all about? So this is Phong Nguyen. I don't know if I butchered his name. Surely I have. Open portfolio website. So this is his website of Phong Nguyen, and this is like really nice. Brand content. This is like a really cool platform where you can find maybe resumes or like CVs in Europe. Let's say that you are a graphic designer and you would like to build your new resume without it being in Europass. Click from all tags and then go to graphic design. From here you can find portfolios, resumes, or case studies. Let's hit resumes, and then you can have like a curated collection of resumes, and you can click them, and maybe you will find some inspiration in creating your own. This is like really helpful. It helped me a lot when I got stuck, and I will probably create a video on how you can create your own resume as a graphic designer. These are basically my three go-to places where I find inspiration. You can also, I don't know, you can search on Google, you can use Pinterest, also Dribbble, but I prefer this more like curated stuff like Bestfolios, Words, or like Behance. And then number 2 will be searching outside the internet, going outside, going for a walk, go cycling, just go outside of your office, clear your mind, and then come back with a fresh mind, with fresh ideas, and create awesome and unique work. So yeah, you got to hear. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching it. I hope you learned something new. If so, please like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and tell me in the comment section if the things that I just told you helped you get over like your creative block. I would love to hear it, and I will reply to each and every comment. And yeah, thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.